day one of workshops. Morning. Normally my vlogs are centered around just like day in my life or the adventures that I'm doing. This vlog in particular is going to be my work. We have a live in-person event of about 50 founders flying from all over for 2 days of full workshops, and then we'll have events throughout. I thought it'd be super fun to vlog this week. I just came back from bar, drank more coffee because I'm going to need that, make some breakfast, and I'm going to do some work on my laptop. And then our first event is actually tonight at Scott's house. This is a virtual community. I don't know if I've like given you guys a quick background about what I do. I work for Highland in Scott Chisholm, and Highland is a private community for founders and CEOs that they've hit product market fit and they're scaling. And so we have tools and a community to help them kind of get to the next level. The point of workshops is annual planning. They're planning for next year, 2026. These are typically not a really fun task for founders. And our point in doing this is making it the funnest annual planning you'll ever do for your company. So this is the first time we're ever doing it, and I'm gonna take you along with me. It'll be super fun. So let's get the morning started. I'm gonna start off with some Alice chocolates before I eat breakfast. One's for focus and energy. You guys, we need everything this week for focus and energy. The founder of Alice is in our community. She wasn't able to come to this event, but she gifted a ton of these to our members. So I also partnered with Momentous. I have coupons for a couple places downtown in Whitefish. We'll do some computer work and then run some errands. This is where production's gonna go. Furniture is about to arrive, and we're setting up everything here. So that will be a big task today. We have a party Thursday night. This is where the bar is gonna be. Scott has these lovely pictures that we're using for our pieces. And we're really hoping it stops raining because food trucks for lunch and dinner are gonna be right here. Everyone's gonna be outside. We're gonna have fire pits out there. It's gonna be fun. Okay, I forgot to show our progress, but we have furniture arrived. I might do some finagling because it's not exactly where I want it, but this is the setup. It's gonna be like circular. Scott is gonna be in the middle, so we need to get a little table that he'll be sitting at. We're getting going. How do you feel, Jason?
Good. I feel good.
Where's your stress level at, 1 to 10?
Oh, very low at the moment.
Good. Devin, stress levels, 1 to 10.
0.
Perfect.
How about you? You're the client here.
No, honestly, my stress levels are also really down. We're vibing. Haskell Creek gift card, which is the store that Scott started, the wellness boutique, and they just opened up a cafe, so that'll be fun. I'm gonna scooch a little bit closer. We partnered with Momentous, so we have these shakes. I think they're several flavors. This one's chocolate quality. Plant people. We got the Wonder Focus mushroom gummies, super fun. Water, and we got Alice chocolates. So everyone is getting some of those and more to come. So very excited about that. And my friend Bree did the design on this little sign chalkboard for us. So I love it. She did like little alpacas and hay bales. It's perfect. So cute. Bumpy ride. Okay, I haven't vlogged in a bit, guys, but I got my hair, I did a blowout. That's what you missed. Now I'm getting ready really quick, and then we're gonna go back to Scott's house for our first event. We're literally having dinner at this event, but I know myself and I never eat at events because I'm busy talking to people. So I'm eating a very healthy dinner. I don't know if you guys have heard of these, but they're called pizza pockets. It has pockets. I really like it. Morning, Fletcher. Morning. Morning. How you feeling day one?
Feel pumped. We got weather finally cleared, sun is coming out, things are looking up.
Here, this is for YouTube. Day one of workshops.
Let's go.
How you feeling?
Oh, this is a video.
It's a video.
I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. How are you feeling?
Groovy. Yeah.
All right.
Everyone's super excited.
We got a good crew getting coffees and stuff, and we're gonna kick off soon.
Let's do it. Good morning. Hi.
Pull the cord and flush it down the drain. Let the light come down on me. Let the light come down on me.
What's up, Peter?
This workshop will be the most fun you've ever had in any planning, and have fun while doing it, and really be open. So the general each value is actionable. I personally believe this was very important. So if you just have something like integrity and there's no definition, basically there's a slide for each company when we bring up, so you guys have an idea of where they're at. I read it, but then I also agree with Cam. I like the end part, and I understand what you're saying about putting the company and the brand.
Feeling bored and running from the shame.
So right now everyone's at, we kind of had like a little bit of a 30-minute break. We went through the value section, and now everyone is partnering up with their co-founder and kind of workshopping their own values for their companies. It's really cool. Also, the weather is turning out. We see the sun, and I think we might be done with the rain, fingers crossed.
To focus in on.
We measure how many of our clients employ.
That was my bottleneck. And so there's also this like opportunity to
different systems, compiling it.
I think this conviction, I've been working on this for COVID, and we got to about $500,000.
Okay, workshop day one is done. I kind of forgot to vlog for a while, but everyone left. I'm currently waiting for a ride. We have about an hour to chill. I'm gonna chill at the house, and then we're splitting up to 7 different group dinners all over around Whitefish at different restaurants. So everyone gets to kind of mingle with new people, some people in their same industry, some people not. And yeah, super excited. And I think we're gonna go to the Northern after for a nightcap. But it's not gonna be super late night because we have 2 more days of this. Technically 1 more day, and then the last day is kind of a fun day. So yeah, see you at dinner. getting all of these flowers set up for the centerpieces of the party tonight. Scott and Carrie have such a beautiful like greenhouse with amazing dahlias. I don't know the name of the other flowers, but they're gorgeous. So we're getting some for tonight.
Okay, we're here setting up for the big event. Just wrapped up day 2, Highland Workshops. It was amazing. Now we're setting up for our final closing party, putting out some lovely flowers.
Yes.
Putting on the finishing touches. It's looking good.
We're on floral duty. Boom. This is where Fletcher thrives.
Yeah.
Hi, Grayson. Okay, I'm on pumpkin scouting duty. We're getting into full-on fall planning this event. 1, 2. Oh. Yes, everyone went back to their hotels. I kind of brought my change of clothes here so I don't have to go back and forth. So I'm just gonna make sure the place is kind of set up. Bartenders have what they need. And then change. I'm ready to party.
Farm life, guys. This is a Highland. This is how you work for Highland. You have to do some stuff for the application process.
Okay, I did fail. So. Okay, we did a quick change for the party. It's gonna look cute. Let's see. I got my boots on.
Walk your hands just a little bit more forward and take a standing split. So you'll just lift your left leg. One more time.
Exactly. See, you guys all made fun of me. Not Jeremy with the bear spray still on his pants.